Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm really excited to share with you our very own block patterns library from Ultimate Blocks. So why block pattern library? From now on, to design a specific section of your website, you don't need to think of any kind of specific blocks, margins, paddings, and any other design decisions. You don't need to think of anything. All you need to do is just copy our patterns and then paste it on your specific locations. And the most fun part of this process is you can customize every block and every content of the pattern. So you just copy and paste the pattern and input your things. That's all. You will get your website ready within just few clicks and with your customization. So let's see how it works in real-time situation. So at the beginning, let's jump into WordPress dashboard. To use our block pattern library, you need to install Ultimate Blocks first. So go to your plugin section and go to add new plugin and search here Ultimate Blocks. Okay, so here's the very first plugin is Ultimate Blocks. You just need to install it and then activate it and done. So now let's see how to access the block patterns library. So you just need to go to ultimateblocks.com/wordpress-patterns-library. No worries about that. I'll give the link in the description of the video. After landing here in this page, you will see 9 patterns in 6 categories, but we are working on lots of patterns right now, and we can ensure you that within few months, you will get lots of patterns in here. So let's see how it works. We have categories. You'll have every category in here, and then you can search by types like free patterns and pro patterns, and then immediately you can sort by time, and if you have any keywords in your mind, you can search it here. So let's see how this works. Here is the travel itinerary timeline. Let's see this. Click on here. Here in this page, you will see a complete preview how it will work in your website. So here is our pattern. So you can check the pattern markup here, and also you will get usage instruction. So how to use them. Basically, this is not a tough job. Just copy pattern from here and go to your own poster page. Like let's go to a poster page, is a blank page. Let's paste it. Just press Command or Control V. And here it is. The complete pattern is in here. So let's see how it works in our preview. Here it is. And as I said to you earlier, you can customize everything, like every point you can customize. Okay, let's copy another pattern from pattern library and let's see how it works. So go back to library, and from here now, let's see the iconic info boxes grid. Click on here, copy pattern, and just Command or Control V. That's it. So this is it. You can change your icon from here, like replace, and you can change your text, you can change your button, you can do anything with this pattern. So this is it. That's all for today. Hope you like this video. If you have any suggestions for us, please write it on comment section, and please let us know how block library works in your end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.